Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is probably a little different than most videos that I do, but anybody that's been following my channel knows that I've struggled with chronic pain and fibromyalgia and nerve pain and so on for many years now, since I had an accident on a construction site. So you know, it's been my quest to figure out ways to alleviate pain, and usually the only way to alleviate pain for a lot of folks is using opiate medications like Tylenol and oxycodone and a lot of heavy-duty drugs. And I came across a supplement recently that, after doing a little bit of research, I've come to the conclusion it's something that I've got to try going forward to try to alleviate you know, some of the issues that I have. And this isn't a paid promotion. I'm not selling this medication or supplement. Dietary supplement. I just wanted to bring it to my viewers' attention because I have done videos in the past about fibromyalgia and CPP disability and stuff about folks that are on disability like myself. And so I'm starting on a 4-month trial on this supplement to see if it helps me in my health. And after doing some research, what this supplement does, it's called Cellgevity, and this is it here. Like I said, I'm not selling this, and it's not a paid promotion or anything like that. I just wanted to share what I'm doing with you guys, and I'm going to keep you up to date on my progress and how I'm feeling, and maybe hopefully it helps me a lot, and then it can help some of the folks that are subscribers to my channel that have fibromyalgia and chronic pain and rheumatoid arthritis and other issues. Now, the research that I've done is I found out a lot of things that this supplement can help you with. Diabetes, high blood pressure, sleep disorders, pain management, all kinds of different things that it helps you with in a more natural way than taking, like I said, opiate drugs and Tylenol and acetaminophen, easy word to say. And what the main thing that this supplement does is everybody's body has something called glutathione, and as we get older, that glutathione in your system, it depletes, and that causes people all kinds of issues, which leads to things like high blood pressure and diabetes and you know, chronic pain and osteoarthritis and so on and so forth. So what's in this supplement has been proven to help with all of these things and change people's lives. So I'm going to keep a diary on my website, my blog, which is brainrattle.info, and I'll be keeping a daily log of how I feel and improvements that I'm achieving from taking this supplement. And like I said, I'll be sharing all this with you guys, and be doing a video each week with my progress, and hopefully it works out well for me, and then it can help some of you folks as well. So appreciate you watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and you'll see future videos on all the different topics that I upload videos for. And hit that like button. It's greatly appreciated. It helps out my channel. And hit that notification button. That way you'll be notified of future videos that I'm going to do with my progress. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a wonderful day, and wishing you all good health. Thank you. Bye now.